I wish I wasn't that.
I wish I wasn't gay.
I wish I wasn't black.
I wish that I was brave.
I wish with every candle on the cake that I could quit doing these drugs, but I can't. I'm afraid.
There is nothing to be afraid of, Mr. Morgan. Take a gamble that love exists and do a loving.
I shall try.
I know you will.
Face me to the west so I can watch the setting sun. Remember all the fine times we had that way.